welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we have AC Gamers. Hi AC Gamers.
Hello.
Hi AC Gamers. So guys, today there's an update in Jailbreak, guys. So I am right now on the web page of Jailbreak. You can see it's here written Jailbreak update. So let's see over here. Description: the fall 2020 update is officially here. We saw it. Okay, new drone vehicle at the 1 million dealership. Yeah, guys, the blade got removed because of the copyright issues. But now there's another like Blade 2.0, the replacement of drone. The replacement of blade is called the drone at the 1 million building. New Boxer convertible at the museum as the Porsche is retired. Guys, the Porsche is retired and there's a new convertible, Boxer convertible. You can see over here. Yeah. Gun shop menus, equipped and unequipped items and more. Okay, guys, we'll see that later. Duffel tires. Okay, making upgrades more affordable. Game Pass owners automatically unlock the highest tires. Guys, you can see over here I have the bigger duffel bag. Oh, first it was named duffel bag and for this was named mobile garage, but now it's premium garage. Mobile garage now everyone has. Now premium garage is what that premium garage you can spawn any vehicles and you can customize it. For mobile garage, you can only spawn the Camaro and the Jeep. So that's what. And the bigger duffel bag was like see guys, there are now tires in it. So tire 1 will get like 2000, tire 3 will get like 5000 or something like that. We'll see it. Now we'll go from here. All players can now use the mobile garage for spawning the Camaro and the Jeep. As I told you, buy the premium garage Game Pass to unlock sales, customizes and more on the go. See, I told you can't customize on the mobile garage, but you can do it on premium garage. Thank you so much. See you at our winter update. So guys, now let's come to the game. So AC Gamers, come to the 1 million building. I'm going there.
Tell me where are you?
I am at the 1 million building.
Just come. Let's
Yeah.
Just come to the 1 million dealership.
So this is the new drone vehicle. Okay, so let me check it out, guys. Okay, buy the drone for 1 million. Well, I'm on 5.5 million. Buy. Woo! I'm on 4.5 million. Let's check it out. Let's customize it. Yeah, good. So wow. This is so good. It's damn good, guys. Wow, it's damn good, guys. It's damn good. It's going damn fast. So let's see if the power plant is open. So we'll check the power plant robbery. Let's see if it's open, then we can check it out. Or if it's not, I guess it's not open because some Ash Ninja just robbed the power plant for 4,900. So I don't think so. It will be open. It's okay. Let's just see. When it will open, we'll go directly there. Oh, power plant is not open. Okay, power plant is not open. So let's check it out. More things. Let's go to yeah, let's check the gun shop. Yeah. We'll go to the gun shop. Guys, we are going to the gun shop right now. Yeah. City or town? First we're going to the gun shop and then we'll go to the Boxer convertible. Let's see that. So now, oh, what? Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, it's like that. I bought the 50,000 sniper. I bought the 50,000 sniper. I have the force field launcher. I bought the sword also. I bought the revolver also. Wow, I bought everything right now. Let me equip everything. I equip everything. I equip Uzi, force field launcher, sword. Yeah, flintlock also. I have the
And as currently, I don't have to premium mobile guns, but I can spawn.
whoa. Okay, I'll spawn the rocket launcher. Grenade 500 only.
Oh, yeah. Because I don't need that.
Grenade only 500. Oh my. Okay, so let me see rocket ammo also. Okay, rocket ammo also I bought it. Now, okay, what's this plus sign? Oh, it's the flashlight and the binoculars.
What we should find out the code, if the code comes, I'm going to try to get the code. Yeah.
Guys, you can see, that I have bought the everything. I have 14 things in my right now. Okay, first a sniper for 50,000, second revolver for 10,000, third flintlock, third force field launcher, and full everything I bought it. And let me see just what is this? 12. How can I do it? 12. Should I hold it together? No, 12 I have to click only. Oh, so you have to buy one. You can buy one grenade. Wow, that's nice. You can buy one grenade. So let me see for. Oh, okay. Let me see this. Whoa. Okay, you can buy one rocket launchers. I am just wasting all my rocket launchers because I don't care. Okay, so it's like that. So now we'll check out the jewelry store robbery. Everyone come to the jewelry store robbery. We are going to check out the tires right now.
Yes, so I'm at the store.
Yeah, don't start it. It's open. Don't start it.
I'm coming to this to wait, get these there.
I want to check the tires right now. Then we'll go to the boxer convertible, and then we'll check out the garage. Mobile garage actually. So where everyone come to the jewelry store. Red, are you there? So should we start the robbery?
So guys, please like, subscribe to my channel.
Yeah guys, subscribe to my channel also, and subscribe to AC Gamers also guys. Guys, this is very good. Guys, this is very good. 4,000 is the first tire. 4,000 is the first tire, I guess. Well, right now, it's okay first. Oh, I can. Oh, 4,000. Oh no, why? I thought 4,000 would be the first tire. No, 4,000 is the maximum tire. It was 5,000. 5,000 was best. Why 4,000? No, let me see once again. I need 5,000, please. 4,000. Don't give me key. No, wait, I'm just robbing right now. Let me see, 3,500. Should I go to 4,000? Oh, I went to 4,000 directly. Hey, that was 5,000 now. 5,000 was great. Why 4,000? So that means it's the 8,000, 6,400 for museum also went. We'll see it later, guys. So let's go over here. We'll rob this. Come over here. Okay. So right now we are coming over here. Yeah, good. So let me see. No, I am going to the boxer convertible next. I don't need key card. It's okay. So let me just go. Oh, let me check out the. Okay, no, it's okay. I got only 4,000 cash. It was 5,000. That was great. Oh, that means 6,400 for museum also went. We'll see that later. So I'm going to museum for the boxer convertible, guys. Guys, the new vlog, as I told you, going to my native vlog in AA Vlogs is coming really soon, guys. It's coming really soon. I just need to edit it. It's coming soon. Come to the museum. I'm going to see the boxer convertible. Buy a boxer for 55,000 cash. One time purchase, buy or cancel. Let's buy it. And buy boxer for 55,000. Buy. Boom! I bought it. I'm on 4.3 million. Wow. Let me just customize it. Wait. Wow. Yeah, we'll see that. Yeah. Guys, comment down below. Do you want speed test of the blade? Guys, comment down. Do you want the speed test of the blade? Okay. Okay. And if people like, if you guys make it this video to like, comment down at least 4 times. Okay. 3 people should do it 4 times. That yes. 3 people should do it 4 times. And if this video gets 5 likes, then automatically I will make the video. Okay. Well, let me take some damage. I need some damage. Yeah, I got my damage, and what will I do is, yeah, good. I got 6,500. Guys, I got 6,500. This is so good. I got 6,500. Wow, this is damn good. Like 1,000 got cut off from jewelry store, and 1,500 added to this ball. Because from here we could get 5,000, and now we can get 6,500. That's nice. It's damn good. I got 6,000. I'm getting 6,500. Whoa, Advik 74 oofed. Advik 74 oofed. I'm right now on the 6,500 only. Yeah, good. I got 6,500. Let me just go here. Guys, I'm ending the recording after. Okay, wait. Let me see the mobile garage. Whoa! Why the Wraith is over here and Camaro here? Oh, everything just jumbled, guys. Everything just jumbled. See, Molten came over here. Molten was the first one, and the Voltway came in last. Man. Oh no. Let me see where's the boxer. Let me see boxer convertible. Everyone come to the museum. We are going to check out the museum robbery. Okay, so we checked out the mobile garage, and now after the museum robbery, I'm ending it, guys. I'm ending it after the after the museum. Let me check it out. So do we get 8 kg or do we get 10 kg or how many kg? Please don't rob it. Please don't rob. I'm coming to museum. Please don't start the robbery. Please don't start the robbery. Yeah, wait for me. I'm coming. Please don't pull. Please don't pull. Don't pull. I'm coming up. No, wait. I'm coming up. Please don't pull. I'm coming up. Yeah, good. So I'm in now. Let me just see the. Okay. Oh, you get it like that. Hey, how many kgs are you getting? Guys? No, wait. How many kgs are you getting? I'm getting 10 kg. Yeah. After this, we'll go to volcano base direct. Okay, ready to pull? Pull. So let's see, guys. Where's my boxer convertible? Guys, I get 10 kg from this. How many kgs do you get? 5 kg or 4 kg? Oh. Guys, we are checking this out. Okay, I got 10 kg here. Take your are back to the criminal base collector. Criminal base also we can go.
Yeah, it is criminal base. It's like criminal base.
Yeah, first you guys go to criminal base, I'll go to volcano base. You guys check it out for criminal base, I'll check out for volcano base.
Yeah, I'm not criminal base right now. That means completely on criminal base, then that will be too OP.
So I got my money, I got 8,000 from the museum, okay. I got it from volcano base, you guys go it on the criminal base.
Yeah, we're going to criminal base right now.
Is there a collector over there? Is there a collector?
We're dropping off, right?
I'll spawn my volt pipe.
It's not taking, it's not collecting, I don't know why.
Oh, that means volcano base name is also criminal base, that means. It's okay, I'll wait, I'll go, wait, you guys stay there, you guys stay at the criminal base, I'm coming there. You guys stay there. I'll just come there. I'm coming. Okay, so I'm at the criminal base. Let's check, is there a volcano base? Oh, Asimo just tweeted out something. Okay, museum fake made the spawn buttons blue, so they're easier to see. Okay, I'll see that little. Okay, so yeah, even I can't see any collector. Okay, so that means they told that criminal base, volcano base will be famous. Yeah, I know that. Okay, so guys, this was the video. Okay, get this video 5 likes and I'll do the speed test. Okay, guys, for the museum robbery, I'll do for the power plant robbery. Yeah, I'll do it for the drone and I'll do it for the army heli. As I have army heli, so I'll drive the army heli, and the AC gamers has the drone, so they can do it for drone. Are you okay with it, AC gamer? Yeah, so we can do the speed test. Okay then guys, so make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe this video. Subscribe to AA Vlog, subscribe to AC Gamers. Okay, all the links are then in the description below guys. Follow me on the Twitter guys. Okay guys, bye. Bye AC Gamer.